What's up guys, Sam James, Barprints.co here, and today we're going to be talking about how to make a cocktail dust. Now at the end of this video, you're going to know what a cocktail dust is, exactly how to make it, and of course what's the most important thing, how to use it to make your cocktails even better. Now before we get into that, please go ahead and subscribe, hit the subscribe button right here at the bottom, and click the notification bell to make sure that you never miss a new video when it comes out. Let's get to it. Now to get started, like I said, what is a cocktail dust? Well, essentially, all it is taking an alcohol with a high sugar content, typically a liqueur or something like that, and dehydrating it down until you can grind it into a powder that you're going to use to rim a glass for a cocktail. Now, for the purposes of this video, we're going to be using Grand Marnier for our particular cocktail dust, but the methodology is the same no matter what you decide to use, whatever kind of liqueur or whatever the case that you're going to be using. But in this case, we're going to be using Grand Marnier. Now, all you need essentially is your spirit, like I said, Grand Marnier in this case, and a plate, something that's deep enough to capture what you're going to be pouring into. You go ahead and pour the spirit on top of the plate, give it a nice coat, and then all you do is basically set it in a cool, dry place and let it dry out. And that's essentially all that you do. It may take 2 to 5 days, depending on where you live. But as you can see from the progression here, we start out on the first day with just pouring it out. And as you go over time, it starts to get a little bit thicker and thicker, a little bit more of a syrupy consistency, until finally it is hard enough that you can press on it, tap on it, without your fingers feeling sticky or wet. In this case, we did it, it took about 5 days for me. Once it gets to that consistency, go ahead and scrape it off the plate, put it into a bowl. If you have a mortar and pestle, by all means go ahead and use it, but you can use pretty much anything you have around the house. In this case, I'm using a bowl and the back of my muddler to give it a nice little grind, and then you grind it into powder. And that's pretty much it. The hardest thing about making a cocktail dust is really how long you have to wait in order for it to dry out so that you can do it. Once it's done, just pour it out, and then you're ready to rim your cocktails with. Now, if you want to watch a quick instructional thing on the proper way to rim a cocktail glass, just stay to the end of the video. I'll link it up in the end for the right way to rim a cocktail glass. But essentially, that's the entire process. It's super easy, super quick, and it gives you a lot of things that you can play with in terms of adding just another spin, another interesting ingredient, another interesting flair to your cocktails, something that a lot of people don't do, so it will set you and your cocktails apart from everybody else's, because it's a really cool, very simple type of upgrade to your bar arsenal that you can use, and doesn't take that much time if you really think about it. Now, if you're looking for products to upgrade your bar arsenal, go ahead and head over to barprints.co and check out what we have over there. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family. Hopefully they'll find it helpful too. If there's something you want me to cover, please leave it in the comments. I'll definitely try my best to get to it in the days and weeks ahead. And last but not least, if you're looking for a step-by-step guide that will help take you from a beginner to a pro in under 24 hours, go ahead and download our Barprints cheat sheet. The link is in the description. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for joining me. Cheers. I'll see you in the next video.